Hi guys!
My name is Shaeley, of course, and
I'm Shar.
we got this box from Indonesia.
We're gonna be unboxing this box from Indonesia. Are you guys ready?
Please say
Big
yes.
box right here.
I'm sorry, I lost the scissors.
Okay, we're going to open the box. Whoa.
I don't think this is the opening. Look, see? I'm not opening it.
Let me see.
Oh wait, the opening.
Wait. Okay.
I don't want to show you the on
What's up in your hand?
But you know, you see it. You see it right here. You know.
Wait, what's this? Oopsie. I'm not sure how this is. Cool. Watch out your finger. This one. Okay guys, it's finally open.
There's so many.
Oh my gosh, there's so many.
I want to open this one.
She needs so much.
Okay, this one.
1, 2, oh. Okay, wait.
3, 4. Come on,
There's 10. There's 10 cups.
this one. These will be mine.
There is 10 cups, you guys. What in the world? Oh my gosh. Auntie said she couldn't send you goodies because she was afraid of the box coming back. Because she sent 2 packages and it came back to her. So that's why she didn't send goodies. But that's okay.
But kind of upsetting.
Why would you be upset?
I like goodies.
Hello, you get so many goodies.
Yeah, but I almost ate them all.
Yeah, but you always can get goodies anytime.
Today. I am gonna get a goodie because we're gonna go to Taco Bell.
See? What is your favorite food at Taco Bell?
A cheese roll. But I don't like saying cheese roll up.
What cheese roll?
Yeah, it's the same thing as cheese roll up.
Oh.
It's just shorter, and I like saying it shorter.
And how many are you gonna get?
Maybe 2 or 3. I don't know.
2 or 3.
Yeah, 2 or 3.
Okay, I don't know what cups are these, but
Well, I saw the cups inside from the inside. Oh, you got a good one.
no way.
You got a good one.
The color there is good too. Whatever you're opening. Okay. It's almost there, you guys. Sorry. We're almost there. Okay, ready, Shaeley? Oh my god, that's so pretty, that color.
I don't like this color. The color was from there.
I have got this color. Oh my gosh, I think this is the milk tea.
I wanted them too.
Or something. Does it look like gray?
Looks gray.
Looks gray.
Looks gray. Looks gray.
I think this is the milk tea though.
This is
That's
mine.
a beautiful color.
Which one is mine though?
That's pretty. It's matte finish.
This one's gonna be the
So
last.
pretty.
Because I feel like this one is the bulky one.
Okay. Shaeley's gonna open
Our next one.
our next one.
And by the way, you guys, if you don't know our dog Mango, it's actually my sister's dog, but it's almost his birthday.
Yeah.
But I really want to show you guys my shirt
Oh yeah.
because
We got you a new shirt.
we got me a new shirt
for Mango's birthday.
For Mango's birthday.
Yeah.
And it's really cute.
Mm-hmm.
But it has a butt on it.
If you guys follow me on Instagram, everything should be there. Like, I post stories mostly every day. Yeah. And my Instagram is in the description down below. But it's Shar808. And it's SHA. And there's 4 R's and 808 at the end. So it's at Shar808.
And my YouTube channel is in my mom's YouTube channel, and if you go in hers,
My
you
mom,
can see
my bio, everything is there.
Yeah.
I even have a Starbucks cup account. You guys could follow me there too. And it's Starbucks Shar808. And this is what I got. Oh my gosh. Shaeley, show your cup. This is the matte mermaid. I think they call them mermaid or scales. Yeah, they do. It's so gorgeous.
I'm just kind of mad that I can't see through it.
Look at this jelly. This is the jeweled one. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. So exciting.
Okay, I'm excited for this one because I see it being yellow.
I think that's the Taiwan again. Taiwan yellow. Is it?
But I really like this one because it's a baby color. I feel like because I see it. Comment down below which one is your favorite when we're done opening all of them. Because she gave us literally
10 cups.
And we only went to like 4.
Oh, this is the Indonesia one.
4 in total.
This is the I think Year of the Dragon one.
Yeah, and one time I had a dream that there's a crowd there's gonna be a dragon, and I'm literally scared of dragons. Literally.
She's scared of dragons.
Even though they're fake and there's people under them, I'm still gonna be scared.
Because that time we went to Japan, their dragon over there is so scary looking. So I think she got traumatized from that. That's pretty.
It's like a baby color.
Yeah, it's like a baby yellow. Yeah, this is the other yellow. This is the Indonesia exclusive. Look at that one. So pretty. They're all matte colors. Okay, time to open the other one.
A little sound effect.
A little sound effect. Oh my god, it's just kind of hot.
I'm not that hot. Because I have water.
Okay.
And that's why I'm always scared of dragons. Because like, when I was a bit...
And every time there's a party and there's like dragon dance,
I would always go under the table.
she's so scared.
Yeah, and I'd literally go under the table. Literally. Like one time, I literally went under the table. Because I was literally so scared. There was so many. But one time, it was one of my sister's graduation party thing.
Cool.
And then...
Oh my god. That's the pair of that. The Indonesia exclusive. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these are the pairs. These guys are the pairs. It's pretty. Look at that.
This is what it sounds like.
Oh my gosh. Shaeley, you're so fast.
Because I'm gonna
Literally.
I'm gonna open.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
Mommy, don't open that one. I wanna open it.
What country this came from?
You travel?
Green. No, it's different.
From Indonesia,
Indonesia.
Mommy.
But it
box
looks so
came-
different. Are you I'm not sure if I'm gonna ask Auntie if it's from Taiwan or Indonesia. Okay, are you gonna open it all?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love unboxing, literally, guys.
Oh, maybe I'll be back and show them what I got.
Yeah.
I'll be back, guys. Maybe you can talk story with them.
So, while my mom is going to get something, I'm going to talk to you. Okay, guys. By the way, it's almost my birthday, so would you suggest putting two birthday cakes, one for Mango and one for me? Please. I hope you do it in the comments. My mom's gonna check the comments, I think. But while I wait for her, guys, maybe I should open the final one. Let's open it, guys. I'm gonna use the scissors.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. And guess what I got? Oh my gosh, you guys wouldn't believe it. I got the chun chararan. This is the zebra from the Philippines. It just happened that the reseller over here got an extra one. So I got the opportunity to grab one. So happy about that. There you go.
Let me help.
Okay. Oh my gosh, you're not supposed to be using this one.
Daddy's
You got it?
gonna get mad
Yes. Daddy's gonna get mad at you.
if he even watches this video.
He should be watching this video. Yeah.
But he
Okay,
got-
so I think we're on our last cup. Yeah, Shaeley?
yeah, this is the last cup, and
Yeah.
then we can show you guys the
The
cups
straws.
with the straws.
Ooh, that is
This is actually
so
really good.
beautiful.
Mommy, don't spoil it.
Okay.
Don't spoil
Is
it.
that the last one for real? You guys, look what Shaeley's holding in her hand.
I'm so happy. I can
Oh
see
my
it.
gosh, that's the gradient. The gradient purple.
Mommy, after can we take
So
can I,
pretty.
can we take picture of me? Isn't it with
With
it?
that, yeah, sure.
Okay.
Is that the straw?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so cool because they even put these
It's so cool that because it goes like
from
light
matte.
and then to like you
From
can
matte
see
to
it. Like I could literally see inside.
Shay, I'm missing a straw for the blue.
It's the butt.
I think Auntie gave a wrong straw. I think Auntie gave a wrong straw. Look. Oh no! It does come with this, right, Shaeley? I believe so. No, if I'm not mistaken, this is the straw for this. Yeah, I believe that's it. So this is what we got, you guys. This is the jewel blue. This is the green purple.
My cute
And
melody
we
cup.
got 2 scales of black scales. And then Let's see.
I got a honey bunny book.
The butter yellow.
That's one of my favorites. But this is my number one favorite.
I think this one is milk tea from
And
Taiwan.
then this is my third favorite.
This is
My
the
first favorite.
Indonesia set.
First favorite.
And last but not least,
Favorite.
this color is so gorgeous.
Fourth favorite. Third favorite.
Okay, I hope you guys
Fourth
enjoyed our unboxing.
And tell us which one you
Is
guys
your
like.
favorite cup
Is your
or
favorite.
yeah, whatever
And also
that you like.
give me
A shout out?
no.
No, what?
Give me a birthday cake and also Mango a birthday cake because it's almost my birthday and his birthday.
Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe,
Like,
and turn on those post notifications.
Bye.
Bye! Oh my gosh, give me! You're gonna scratch them and you're gonna drop them! No, that's not happening, girlie. Okay, okay.
Why do you turn on the video?
Bloopers! Bye, guys!